Gina, by Houston standards, this is still freezing weather, but at least it's above 32 degrees. A lot of us, we went outside, took inventory for the first time, and it wasn't pretty, especially what is hiding underneath these freeze cloths right here. And looking right back over here, we have a sago palm. These weather it pretty well, but if you have a queen palm and you didn't wrap it, well, you may have problems in the future. But underneath all of this, there is still hope for your yard. Here's what you need to know.
Here is our big damage.
3 days after the deep freeze hit, gardeners taking stock of the damage done.
Last year, we lost we didn't lose the ginger. You cut it back to here when it had been beautiful.
Plants without protection appear dead to the world. Even those with freeze cloths look a bit limp.
And I hope when we uncover it, a lot of it is salvageable.
It's a year for the record books in the Houston area. A lot of landscaping showing the effects, certainly tropicals like citrus trees. But there are steps you can take right now. Curled leaves on this orange tree, for example.
That's a magnesium deficiency on citrus, and you will see a lot of yellowing.
There are minerals for that, and then there's something you may not have heard of.
What you need to do right now is use a super seaweed, which is a root stimulator, and a foliage feed.
Seaweed extract. It saved seedlings at Wabash Feed and Garden in the past when the heater went out during a freeze.
It's an extract, so it promotes hormonal growth.
Seaweed and other supplements replace what the freezing weather took from plants. But if a plant is already dead, it is done. And that's why you have to check for signs of life.
You start looking for green inside there.